Hi, you guys. We're at the Redneck Rumble today, and every time I walk in, it's always these sweet rat rods to check out. This is in Lebanon, Tennessee. It is all weekend. Very good possibility we will be back tomorrow because Ian Russell will be here. It's Friday right now, and it's starting to get busy. Let's get into this event. Good, how are you? Nice Holly setup on that. All right. Well, a little bit of everything. That's cool. You guys, it's a hot one today. It's gonna be in the high 90s to 100. So if you like this type of stuff, hey, I'm trying to film here. Hey, calm down. If you like this type of stuff, it would mean the world to me. Hit that like button. It helps us reach more people. And comment your favorite ride, or if you're here, what you think of the Redneck Rumble. We come back 2 times a year. We'll drop the September dates down below, but it's one of my favorite shows, and it's one of my most popular car show videos. Very cool. You guys, the metallic on this, I don't know if the camera shows it, but wow. Sweet paint job. Here's one of our favorite moonshine delivery trucks. See this one every year. It is sharp. The theme, everything just fits. Guys, it's already 10 o'clock and it's getting packed here. This is going to be a packed event all weekend. Always is. Don't forget, if you guys like this type of stuff, we come back every week with car show content for you guys. And we're averaging about 2 or 3 shows a weekend now. It's kind of crazy. But hit that like, subscribe, turn the bell notification on. So if we do end up coming back tomorrow, meeting Ian Russell, you will be the first to get notified when we post it. Oh, here we go, car cruising, truck. Very nice old Ford. All right, back to the Dodge. You guys, we are gonna check out the swap meet, all that stuff, the vendors, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a packed, long video, but I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. I figured you have to get 3,500, 4,000 before you're going to get some high. Right, yeah.
All the way from Virginia. Here's one of my favorite custom built ways to get around the show. We do have the golf cart here, but we're gonna do a little walking and then we'll take the golf cart out in a little bit. This thing is a beast. Old Firebird. Probably on a K5 chassis.
77 Firebird on an 88 K5.
88 K5? 77 Firebird on an 88 K5 chassis. 43-inch big tractor tires. Not sponsored at all, but if you guys are looking for an electrolyte drink, I would recommend Element. I'll link it below, but we love it. When we go to these events, it's hot outside, you need your electrolytes. Let's get back into the show. Very nice. Old International. Those are cool. With a new rear end, with a 95 Silverado rear end. Quite custom. Oh wow. Classic Indian. Okay. Don't know, but interesting. Wow. Side exhaust. Heck yeah. Now that's how you tow something here. For the most part, we're just going to take you guys walking with us. Definitely we'll put on about 5 miles today of this show. There's another tow ride. Ooh. Says Cummins on there. Polished tank, polished air ride. I like that. Cool thing about rat rods, you just make them your own. You got parts here laying around outside and just throw them together. AMX.
Sorry, my bad. I'm sorry.
Matching trailer, that's cool. I'm guessing he puts a bike in there. Old Blazer convertible. That would be my project right there. Wow. So my goal of this video is to get it out by tomorrow. Maybe this evening is the goal I'm shooting for. But every time I say that, run into some issues. Let's go check out this school bus. What's going on, guys? Thank you. That thing scared me at first, I ain't gonna lie. Holy. Alright guys, if you have any suggestions on the car show content, let me know. Do you guys like music? You like it raw? The sounds of motors? My commentary, which it's a plus or negative. Or if I go too fast. I've been trying to slow it down because somebody at the other car show said I walk too fast. So we're in slow motion this time. Something about that bus, so cool. Definitely a party bus. Alright. Very interesting. Converted from a Dodge motorhome. Thing is wide, let me tell you. It's like guys, swap meet. Got a lot of stuff. Looking for wall art, motors, full vehicles. They got it for you guys. Nice. Guys, this place is packed. It's just Friday. Can't imagine what Saturday is going to be. All right, you guys, we are inside. A lot of amazing customized vehicles are in here. Rat Fink style. Also along with vendors over there along the walls. Plus there's air conditioning, which not complaining on that one a bit. Holy cow. The thing probably flies. Couple sweet haulers. like those. This wall is always a nice place to park. Nice and cool.
Yeah. So what'd you tell him?
All right, guys, what are you thinking so far? It's a great show. It's hot out. I got the golf cart out right now, right there. And we're gonna get back into this. There's a sweet short bus coming up.
You don't see him. You don't see him.
Beautiful, Chevelle.
Okay, 70 years. She likes that shit.
I'm cheating a little bit. I'm doing the golf cart views right now. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Helps me go to these events and film for you guys. It's out. Nice. Truck over there. Okay, this is cool. Custom picnic table. I really want to build something bad, guys. I really try to walk most of the event, but it was getting hot, I was getting hungry, and I have a golf cart, so why not? Nice bike and a laid out Bel Air. Very nice. Hey guys, this is toward the front. So there's more vendors, there's more car shows. Definitely a huge event. Tell you guys, my view right now with this fan, I did post a video on the install of the fan and the mirrors, but it is a lifesaver at events. That's cool. I thought that grocery cart had a motor on it. It's about to go crazy. Slammed VW. That is cool. Used to have a 77, a 70, and a 01. If you're looking for a golf cart, there you go, 2,500 bucks. That looks a little lowered. It's got air ride. Have a bed set in the back of that. Probably for camping, because the Redneck Rumble does offer camping. So if you guys come, bring camper, bring your toys, stay all weekend.
I'll do it. Hey, y'all have a good day.
Definitely think it'd be a fun time to camp here with a bunch of people. So if you're looking, there's always springtime in September, or sorry, fall. This is the spring one. Look, campers. I mean, it don't matter what camper you got. We got the golf cart over there. We're gonna go check out these other vehicles. Another Beetle hammered. Oh, good old days. Thing is beautiful.
I like the guy, and I got one out of the So,
There's a rig. Big old power ram. Yeah, this is what the Redneck Rumble is all about. Camping, cruising, hot rods. All right, guys, this is very interesting. All right, guys, on your left, this is the first sale. Trucks, projects, your dream could be right there in this mix. To some it's junk, to us enthusiasts, it's gold. All right, guys, if you come here, Texas Twister drink, I'm gonna get one. It's amazing. I'll be right back. You guys, I can't rave enough about the Texas Twister drink. I got one. $7, refills $4, well worth it. Check them out if you're at the Redneck Rumble or if you see them out around Tennessee. Cheers. All right, guys, this is the vendor area. There's about 4 rows. They have everything from e-bikes to apparel, scooters, old scooters, new scooters, engines, whatever you can pretty much think of, you can find it here. You want a classic bike? They got it for you guys. Oh, that was, that's on Main. We're just cruising back to the truck now. I'm probably gonna do a live feed with my phone. Let this charge up for a little bit. We'll see you guys very soon. So guys, there must be a couple thousand hot rods here. Wild rides, let me tell you. You gotta be careful driving and filming. All right, guys, what another amazing Redneck Rumble. We'll link their information below, but the one is coming up in September. We'll put that date also. It's the event to check out. I would suggest camping. If you have a camper, bring some toys, have a good time. Till next time, we'll see you guys. We got more car show content coming up for you guys, so if you haven't yet, please subscribe. It means the world to me. I'm shooting for 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I need your guys' help to go to these events. So check out a video on the left and the right hand side of the screen. Keep exploring.